A very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to see about the analysis of rates of the rate analysis. So to move on, what is analysis of rates? So it is actually to determine the rate of a particular item of work from a quantities of materials and labors required and their costs. So the rates of materials and labor are changing from place to place, and therefore the rates often different items of work also changes from place to place. So, what are all the factors to be considered? Every estimate should be accompanied by the analysis of rates of items provided in. Analysis of rates comprises of cost of material, labor, sunrise, carriage, and the contractor's profit. It we will be seeing a few things of related to the cost involved in it. So to start with the tools and plants, it is 2.5 to 3% of the labor cost. For the transportation cost, it will be more if it's more than 8 kilometer, it will be considered. For water charges, it is 1.5 to 2% of the total cost, and the contractor's profit will be at least 10%. Next, we'll move seeing about the rate of materials and labors. For the first class brickwork, it is rupees 4,500 per thousand numbers, and for the second class bricks, it is rupees 4,000 per thousand numbers. For the brick ballast, it is rupees 800 per meter cube. For the coarse sand, it is 800 per meter cube. For the cement bag of 50 kg, it is rupees 270 per bag. For the twisted bars, it is rupees 5,000 per quintal, and for the bitumen, it is rupees 10 per kg. Next, we'll be seeing about the labor rates. For the mason, it is rupees 450 per day. For the plaster, it is rupees 400 per day. For the carpenter, it is rupees 400 per day. For the bistri, it is rupees 250 per day. For the mason, it is rupees 250 per day. And for the painter, it is rupees 300 per day. So this is not the fixed one. It will always differ based upon the plates, based upon the area. For the cement and reinforced concrete, for the cement concrete it is Mazdoor 15, and for the mason 1, and for the Bishi it is 2.5. And for the reinforced cement concrete of 10 meter cube, it is Mazdoor it's 40, mason 2.5, Bishti it is 5, blacksmith 4, and carpenter 4. Next is the DPC and brickwork. DPC Mazdoor 2.5, Mason 1.5, and Bishti is 0.5. And for the first class brickwork, Mazdoor is 15, Mason it is 8, and Bishti it is 2. Next, the painting and plastering work. For the plastering work of 100 square meter, Mazdoor it's 10, Mason 10, and Bishti 2. For the distempering, painting, or whitewashing, Mazdoor it's 5, and painter it is 4. Let's see an example now. Find out the dry materials required for 1 cubic meter cement concrete 1:4:8 in foundation. So if we move on to the solution of the problem, ratios 1:4:8. Summing up, it is 18. So it will be the total dry water for 1 cubic meter of concrete is 1.54 meter cube. Therefore, the following materials are required. For cement, 1 into 1.54 into 28.8 divided by 13, that is 3.14 bags. For sand, it is 4 into 1.54 divided by 13, that is 0.47 meter cube. For the aggregate of brick ballast is 8 into 1.57 divided by 13, that is 0.94 meter cube. So the materials for 1 cubic meter cement concrete is 1:4:8 is cement 3.41 bags, sand 0.47 meter cube, brick ballast 0.94 meter cube. So this is the answer. So this is how we calculate the amount of materials. Thank you all for your attention. If you have any queries, kindly post the questions. Thank you one and all.